Hello and welcome to Mr. Minute Maths. We're doing a stem and leaf question here, and we'll be given some data points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 12 data points. It could be anything. In this case, let's say it's years, and we've been asked to represent this data in a stem and leaf diagram. Now remember that we always want to separate the place values. In this case, we're going to separate the tens and the units. So the lowest one will be the tens, there'll be 20s, 30s and 40s. So that's the tens as the stem, and then the leaves will be all the other numbers. So let's go through that. We've got a 17 represented by the 1 and 7 there. Another 17 there. It's useful to make a mark or cross them off as you go along. There's an 18 and there's a 19. Very important, and a mark is doing the key. So I'm going to put, say, 2/3 represents 23, and you can gain, or if you forget it, lose an entire mark there. So that's 4 of the numbers. In the 20s, we've got a 23, a 25, another 25. There's a reason I'm not crossing them off, because I need to use them again later. In the 30s, there's a 31 and 32. 36 there I've used. I don't need to write the 3 there because I've got the 30 there. And a 2 and a 6. And just check that I've got 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So yes, I've used all 12. So that's the stem and leaf correctly displayed. These need to be in increasing order. You can draw one first in decrease in any order and then order them correctly. And have the key. Now, if we were asked to work out the range, well, this stem and leaf diagram allows us to see that quite quickly. The biggest number is 46, and the smallest number is 17. So 46 minus 17, I have to carry that. That gives me 9. Is a range of 29. The mode, well, what number comes up the most? Well, it should stand out that in the 10s, it's the 7s, and in the 20s, it's that. So in fact, we have 2 modes here. We have a 17 and we have a 25. Again, the stem and leaf allows us to see that if there were 3 or 4, it should be quite obvious. It's the number that jumps out the most. And then the last thing that would be quite helpful to find is the median. There are 12 numbers, so we count from either side, crossing them off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and because they're the same, the median is 25. If they were different, it would take halfway between the 6th and the 7th number. So that's stem and leaf. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.